Okay, it's recording, right? Ignore the Five Nights at Freddy's.
So you guys look at my armor, that's my armor.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm here
Ow.
with
How dare you?
Bird, Duck,
Punch me. Punch me.
and Luna. I think that's what her name is, right?
Yes! Ow!
And we're at the Bird Olympics.
Hey, you got a better skin. She's cheating. She has armor.
No?
Yes, you can't wear armor.
As you can tell, I'm hungry. We're all very hungry because I forgot. Ow!
Hey, what a block.
Who has a better skin? Guess what, Alexa? Hannah has a bird on the back, so she can wear that skin.
Yeah,
Hannah,
haha.
Oh, I like that. It's like the bird Twitter.
Alexa, I was quite trying
You're
to
so
Japanese old
stupid.
lady. Ow!
Yeah, let's take her stuff.
So rude.
no, but we have to kill Alexa for killing Hannah.
Yay!
I don't have
My
anything on me.
pleasure.
What did you do?
My pleasure.
Ow!
Die, die.
Guys,
Actually, guys, kill me. Guys, kill me. I'm hungry. So just kill me.
Okay. Kill.
Die! The fucking no. Oh my god, that you killed me.
Alexa's like going so. Hey, no. Alexa's wearing armor. No.
Cheating,
No.
cheating.
Die.
She's stuck.
Stop.
Die. Guys, we're not allowed to have on armor.
Okay, how do you throw
Alexa,
stuff?
yay.
Come on, guys, let's go to the first game.
Wait, she's gonna kill me.
Come on, Bird.
Yeah, that's just my
Yeah,
pleasure.
kill me.
No, I'll kill you guys.
Kill me.
Okay.
I'm scared. Someone kill me, please.
Hold on, stop, don't hit me.
No!
Stupid Luna.
It's like rain.
I left.
Stupid Luna. You know, Luna, I'm taking away your prize. Because you did that.
Oh.
And look, she just hit me.
I joined back.
Stop. Hannah, isn't it laggy for you?
A little bit.
Come on, guys, we gotta start the first game.
Okay. Fine.
Because of stupid Luna, she lost her prize. She lost her donkey prize. Stop!
That's Luna.
Well, guess what? I'm almost dead. Guys, please kill Luna. Kill this little idiot. Look, guys, kill her. I command you. This is the Bird Olympics, and it took me like 3 hours to make. You
That is
evil
true.
little girl. Look, sorry, Bird. Come on, Bird, let's go. Come on, Duck.
Wait, guys, wait for me. I have to kill myself because I'm hungry.
Okay. Hold on. Bird, where are you? Bird, come over
How do
here.
you throw stuff?
Bird,
How do you throw stuff? I forgot.
just kill yourself.
Okay, on the ground.
Okay, quickly. Because we haven't even started the Bird Olympics, we'll just run around. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Hold on. Oh, it's laggy!
Let's go.
Wait, I have to die. Because I have stuff on me.
And Bird doesn't want it. Help, Hannah. Because Bird wants to die. There we go.
Stand back.
Come on, let's go to the first game. Come on. Follow me. Come on, let's go. This way. Up here. This game.
Okay, it says, welcome to the Bird Olympics. This is the
The first game.
Okay. Get your pickaxe. Okay, I got pickaxe.
Me too.
Wait,
Oh, sorry.
So what do we need to take?
No killing each other. Break the ground to make the player fall.
Okay.
Knock it off.
Yeah, you have to. You only can take down the stone.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's
Ready,
the fun.
go.
Hold on, wait, it's laggy for me. Cause Luna's
Oh my
back.
god, why is it lava?
Yeah, whole point. You gotta fall in it.
Dang.
Wait, what? Who's falling? I don't want to fall.
No, we gotta knock each other in the lava.
Oh, what? No! What? It's gonna be hard.
Guys,
No,
Yeah,
it's
it's
not.
like to me and Leah.
No!
I made it.
Duck
I
won.
needed the win.
Duck won the knock it off game.
Wait, what? I won?
No, Duck. Why did I say Duck? Bird. Bird. It's a bird.
I'm dying.
Guys, if you
help me.
hold on, Luna would have never standed a chance.
Okay.
Who's killing me? Spider.
Three, two,
Bastard.
find the button.
No, my God, it's so laggy. Stop.
Is this for you? Oh. That's for you. It was for my spider.
Shut up. You stupid freaking spider. Guys, hold on, wait for me.
How are we gonna form a red?
What are the rubies? What is this?
Redstone.
When you are done, follow the red line.
Wait, game
To
2.
the next game.
Find the
Find the
button
button
and
and
put
put it in the box.
it in.
I'm not gonna play because I know where it is.
So where's the
Just
Wait,
keep going.
wait till it's morning. It's hard.
Go,
what kind of?
guys, hide.
Oh my God, I haven't died yet.
Guys.
Oh, this is a challenge. You try to survive and get a lot of.
Oh, I died.
Oh my God.
Oh, my
Find a
God.
button. Find a button.
I found gold.
No, you need to find a button and
Found
survive.
One, found one.
You found it?
Yeah.
You gotta get it and put it in the chest. You can't make it, by the way. Hold on, guys. Wait till morning.
I'm playing. I can't.
I'm in a hole.
Wait, we have to find a button?
You gotta find a button. A button on one of the mushroom trees.
Stop it! Kelly!
On one of the mushroom trees. Hey, Luna, stop hitting me.
I'm not hitting you.
I'm trapped.
Wait, what, you are?
Where you guys are stuck?
Yeah, I'm trapped.
Really? Bird.
I'm right here.
No, bird.
Tunnel.
Bird, no, you can get up.
I can't.
Oh, birdie. Hold on, bird. Bird, bird.
Stop it!
Bird,
Idiot.
stay. Bird, stay right there. I'm gonna get some dirt to get you out. Okay, stay right there. Ow!
Stop! Douchebag! God, I'm gonna piss on myself.
Hey, bird. Bird.
Let's go.
I know.
There's so many monsters.
Here.
Go.
Ow!
Oh, it's a good thing you fell.
I
I
didn't
got
fall.
dirt. I got dirt. Okay, I'm out.
You out? Ow! Oh my God!
Shoot, we're trapped again.
Good. God dang it!
Never mind. Never mind. Get it.
Oh.
Ah, died.
Oh my God! No, I'm gonna die! No! It's so laggy. Why?
This may be too much space.
Oh Jesus!
Oh shoot! There's some.
Creeper.
I got some dirt.
What the? Why did it pick up?
Okay.
Oh my God!
I'm in the cave. Hey, I'm gonna go. I tried to save y'all. I'm gonna go give you. Is this cave?
No. No, guys, come on, we gotta go.
Shoot! You should have changed it to creative.
Creative for what?
You should wait for morning.
There's
It's so
actually.
hard.
Guys, just hide. Make a hole in the ground and hide for the night.
No, I'm gonna play the game.
You gonna play the
Yeah,
game?
I'm being courageous for the game.
I'm gonna stay. Ow. Ow. Bastard.
Found it. Take a pickaxe and kill them. I found the button.
Oh no, guys. Oh, by the way, guys, you can.
I got you.
Guys, by the way, you can kill each other to get the button. Right now, Alexa has the button.
I already put it in the chest.
You did?
Yeah.
Alexa won the button game. Next game. Come on. Next game. Guys, it's so laggy for me. Help.
Collect 12 red mushrooms and put it in the chest.
There's a lot of mushrooms, guys. Bird, go help. Not help. Guys, go. Bird and Duck and Luna, go and get mushrooms. 12. 12.
Oh, mushrooms?
No, Birdie, there's like a little patch over here, Birdie. Bird. Bird, over here. Bird.
We got 14.
Oh, I guess Duck put it in the chest and you'll win this round. Okay, Duck won the first round of... So,
At least you win.
no, that's until the end. Okay, guys, round 2.
What kind of mushrooms?
Red mushrooms. Round 2. Go, go, go.
Select all the flowers in front of you.
Why did I say round 2? From,
All
no,
the flowers in front of you on the mountain.
you stupid, Alexa. You gotta look at them and collect them from the mountain.
Oh.
By the way, you're so stupid.
Where's the mountain?
Follow the diamond thing, and what? No, don't follow the diamond. That's where the mountain up there. By the way, there's a secret spot up there, and I put all the flowers.
Guys, I can't run.
Okay.
Birdie! He's following the blue thing.
I'm just gonna have to end the video here because it's already 10. We'll record one in a couple minutes. The rest of the game in a couple minutes.
Holy crap!